everyone, we're back again. It's Kim and
Steph.
And in the last video we showed you how to smoke a pipe. So in this video we're going to show you how to clean it. Some people can find it very intimidating having to think about cleaning a pipe, but it's actually a relatively easy process and we're going to show you all the steps on how to do it.
So to clean your pipe you'll need a few accessories. You'll need a 3-in-1 pipe tool, an ashtray with a pipe knocker preferably, some pipe cleaners, and finally you can use a pipe cleaning solution which you can put on your pipe cleaner and clean the pipe.
Step 1, what you want to do is get your scoop and just scoop out all of the burnt ashes, and then once you've done that, give it a little knock on the knocker to get all the little remnants out, and then you use the pipe reamer to scoop round to get all the little bits that you couldn't really get with the scoop. Just remember when you're going round the bowl with the reamer not to scratch the edges.
Okay, so secondly you want to separate your bowl from the stem, and you want to use a pipe brush to clean out the air hole. And next you want to use a pipe cleaner to clean out the stem. Once you run it through once, you want to take it out, flip it over and do it again. And you can also use a little bit of Denny cleaning solution on your pipe brush.
So there you have it, in 2 simple steps you can clean a pipe. Not as scary as you'd think it would be. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll get back to you. Until next time,
Bye!
bye!